Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into the GraniteStone 20-piece induction cookware set, a comprehensive collection promising to revolutionize your kitchen experience. This isn't just another pot and pan set, it's marketed as a lifetime investment in your culinary endeavors, boasting the GraniteStone ARMOR MAX technology. Let's start with the core promise of this set, the GraniteStone ARMOR MAX. This technology is touted as their best non-stick experience ever, combining a heavy-duty, forged, hard-anodized exterior with a 4-layer non-stick interior. The idea here is durability meets superior food release. GraniteStone claims this construction is built to last for years, and they've used heavy-duty, forged, hard-anodized aluminum, which they state is stronger than stainless steel. This sounds promising for those who are tired of their cookware losing its non-stick properties after just a few months of use. The "nothing sticks" claim is, of course, a major selling point for any non-stick cookware. GraniteStone ARMOR MAX emphasizes healthier eating and effortless cleanups. The 4-layer ultra-release non-stick coating is designed to make food slide right off, and impressively, it's durable enough to withstand metal utensils, spatulas, spoons, whisks, and even electric beaters. This is a bold claim and a significant advantage if it holds true, as it offers much more freedom in the kitchen without worrying about scratching or damaging the surface. And speaking of cleanups, the "easy to clean" feature is directly linked to that non-stick surface. The ultra non-stick 4-layer coating is designed for an effortless wipe down after use. For those who dread dishwashing, the set is also completely dishwasher safe, allowing for a 1, 2, 3 cleanup as they put it. This is a huge convenience for busy households. Health and safety are also highlighted with the "Health and Safety First" feature. Each piece of cookware is made without PFOA and PFOS, which is a standard but essential feature for modern cookware. This allows you to maintain a healthy and eco-friendly cooking environment, which is something many consumers prioritize. Moving on to ergonomics and usability, the professional-grade handles are designed for comfort and safety. These are stainless steel riveted, stay-cool handles, ergonomically designed for a safe, easy, and comfortable grip. They even mention that both right-handed and left-handed cooks can enjoy them, which is a nice detail for inclusivity. A significant advantage of this set is its induction-compatible nature. It works with all types of stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, halogen, and ceramic. Furthermore, it's oven-safe up to a substantial 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This versatility means you can start cooking on the stovetop and seamlessly move your dish to the oven without needing to transfer it to another pan. Finally, the "quick and even heating" is attributed to the forged, single sheet of hard-anodized aluminum. This construction method is designed to conduct heat quickly and evenly from edge to edge. The absence of dead zones or hot spots is crucial for consistent cooking results, ensuring your food is deliciously and perfectly cooked every time. Now, let's break down the pros and cons based on these features. Pros: the sheer number of pieces in this 20-piece set is a major pro. You get a comprehensive collection that likely covers every cooking need. The GraniteStone ARMOR MAX technology, with its 4-layer non-stick coating and hard-anodized construction, promises both excellent food release and long-term durability, and the ability to use metal utensils is a significant plus. The ease of cleaning, including dishwasher safety, is a huge time saver and convenience factor. The PFOA and PFOS-free materials align with health-conscious cooking. The induction compatibility and high oven-safe temperature offer excellent versatility for various cooking methods. The even heat distribution is key for achieving consistent and professional cooking results. Cons: while the durability claim is strong, the longevity of any non-stick coating is ultimately tested by real-world use. We'll need to see how it holds up over extended periods. The forged, hard-anodized aluminum stronger than stainless steel claim, while impressive, is a strong statement and may require further scrutiny for absolute comparison. The description doesn't specify the exact composition or thickness of the aluminum beyond being heavy-duty, which can sometimes impact heat retention and overall performance. A 20-piece set can be quite an investment, so the upfront cost is something to consider, though the value proposition seems high if the durability claims are met. In conclusion, the GraniteStone 20-piece induction cookware set presents a very compelling package. It addresses key consumer desires like superior non-stick performance, durability, ease of cleaning, and versatility. The GraniteStone Armor Max technology, if it lives up to its claims, could make this set a standout in the crowded cookware market. It seems designed for home cooks who want professional-level performance and convenience without the hefty price tag or the need for constant replacements. Link in the description.